We are finally back for a new video, guys. I'm sorry that it took so long. You know, I got caught up with the holidays. I've been busy, just been keeping up with all these machines. They are all doing great, and therefore that brings me to my new video today. I will be putting in Christmas presents into my vending machines today. I've always wanted to do something like this, kind of switch it up from always getting snacks and stuff, and I want to see how people enjoy it. So if you like this video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and let's go. I want to say Merry Christmas to everybody, Happy New Year, hope everyone stays safe, enjoy the time with your family. We're going to go to the store and hit 2 locations, and we're going to fill them up with some presents, guys. Let's go. Alright, we are at the store right now, and first we gotta get some stock. I need to get some drinks, so there's a sale on Pepsi and Coke here at Mark's. So we're definitely gonna grab some Coke while we're here. We're also gonna try out some new products. I'm gonna try this Dr. Pepper Strawberries and Cream. Alright, our cart is pretty filled up now. We got a lot of stock. Only 1/16 spent. It's a pretty good start, but we're about to go to Walmart now and get shopping for some presents. What the hell? Definitely thinking of some gift cards. It's definitely a good little purchase, I think. Definitely for the kids, you know. Gotta get them Fortnite V-Bucks. We're definitely going to do this right. We're going to get some toys. Of course, you got to get some candy. Homies. I thought this would be a funny gift, but I'm afraid it might be a little too big. We'd get stuck in the machines easily. 25. And of course, you can't forget your Feastables. Gonna make one more stop at Five Below, see if there's anything else I can get. And we're about to head back home and wrap all these presents. One thing I noticed when I was at this Five Below store, they were selling a lot of candy machines. Candy claw machines, gumball machines. Kinda crazy that, you know, the store's even promoting, you know, vending machines in some sort of way. Happy accidents. Same price that we sell it for. Leave a comment if you would try one of these. Ew. Bagel Bite gummy candies, Lunchable gummy candies. I don't know. You got all these energy drinks, but I found these Cheeto socks there, so I'm definitely going to give those away too. Alright, here's the supply. Got a big bag of goodies to give out to everybody. Alright, let's wrap everything up and we're going to get everything ready. This should be fun, guys. So many different things. Got candy. Got some toys. Got some gift cards. Always wanted to do this, so this should be fun. Got the new cookies and cream style. Oh, so close.
That's alright. Got that first half at least. Perfect.
Alright, enjoy this little montage of me wrapping all the gifts that we just bought. Not the best wrapper in the world, so don't judge my skills, but, you know, like C+ effort. Now, instead of watching me wrap 100 gifts, we
One down.
got a little creative.
Lot more to go.
Video, so enjoy my little montage.
A lot more to go. Helper.
Alright, we are about to head to the first location and Alright, so we got the gifts kind of divvied up. I'm not exactly sure what everybody's going to be getting, but I'm going to try and make sure that each location gets a pair of socks and at least, you know, a gift card in each machine. Alright, we got the whole top row fixed up. Gift card's going to go in the back. Hope it makes sense that the hot Cheetos socks are going to come with a pack of hot Cheetos to eat.
Final touches. Looks good.
Now let's go to the second location. So yes, after Christmas I have not filled these machines up. And look at them. They are getting hit, guys. Look at all the empty selections. I'm so happy to say this new location is doing.
Alright, let's get to work, guys. Let me know what you think of these. These are one of my favorite chips. I'm going to leave these two open for the gifts.
There's all the presents, all lined up. The whole thing is filled up. Gift cards are in the back. Thank you to the employees who work every day and on Christmas. Those are for you guys.
This should be fun. I hope they enjoy this.
Alright, I still have to fill the drink machine, but instead of watching me refill the whole thing, here's me doing it in 4 seconds. I hope you enjoyed that, because I know I did. Alright, just let me put my final touches on everything, and we are good to go.
Got the presents
Snack
up there.
machine is full.
Machine's all filled up. Drink machine all filled up, except for this one slot. for me, guys, that's going to do it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed. I hope everyone enjoys the gifts that they got. And I hope everyone had a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And we will be seeing you much sooner rather than later, okay, guys? I'm going to try and put out more videos starting next year. Alright, take it easy, guys. See ya.